All right, y'all, we back with another one. It's your boy Mon PBM. Look what we got here today. I'm not going to flip it over because my address and everything is on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, unwrap it, and then get back with y'all and let y'all see what's up in there. I know you already know. Guess what? Surface Duo 2, baby. All right, I'm going to let y'all see this little bitty part without flipping it over. All right, let's see. All right, y'all, look at that. There it is in all of its glory. Let's open this thing. Let's open this thing up, man. I forgot I had it planned while I was unraveling it back here, but it's all good. Let me see, we got... Oh yeah, we got time. Let's go ahead and do this. And then I'll tell you what's in it. Shank, baby. Had to get it. Come on off. Hey, if I can grab it. Yeah, my nails ain't that long now, all right? I'm cutting them still, but they ain't that long. So we Gucci. All right, so here, dang, this box kind of a little beat up, but it's all good. We're going to stick with it. I got the little Best Buy protection thing or whatever you call it. All right, we got it's running Android 11. Got 8 gigabytes of RAM. Got 256 gigabytes of storage. It's the Obsidian. I believe that's how you say it. Yeah, Obsidian. And let's see, is that it? Obviously, we already know what is running Android. Let me see. USB Type-C, support 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1. Okay, that's it. All right, so we're going to open this thing up, man, and let's see what we got. Yeah, the box is like different. Set that to the side, and let's set this bad boy to the side for now. Hold on, man, don't jump off the table. Surface Duo trying to get off the table, man. All right, y'all, anyways, I'm over here, man, trying to look at y'all and my stocks and everything and do all this. I'm multitasking. All right, you got all your books and stuff, you know. You already know what it is with that. Got my SIM card remover. You know, sorry if I didn't have it in the camera. That's a nice one. We're gonna set that there. And all these, the books and all that crap. Just gonna set that to the side. Side that for now. And up in here, let's see what else we got. We got that's it. Yep. That's it, man. That's what, thank you, Apple. Thank you. That's what we go, that's what we doing now. Craziness. But okay, anyways, we got the, I don't know if it's 3 feet, maybe 3 feet, 6 feet. I don't know. I think it used to be either 3 feet or 6 feet. I don't remember. But yeah, we got your USB Type-C cable. And obviously, you know what that goes to. And here, let's set these jokers to the side up there. And there we go. You already know what it is, man. Your boy, the Surface. Did I just... Hold on, man. All right, we're going to do it now like this. I done messed it up. The Surface Duo 2. Let's unwrap this bad boy. Oh my gosh, that black is beautiful. It's a sexy device. Throw that over there. Kick that to the top of the key. And here you go. The Surface Duo Deuce. Look at that. This is one beautiful device. one beautiful device. Seriously, I gotta say it again. Everybody talking about the camera bump. Man, I don't care about the camera bump. It looks good to me. I don't care, man. As long as it shoot way better pictures than it did before, I'm good. I mean, you know, as you already know, I'm pretty sure you've seen it. They moved the USB Type-C charging port to the middle, and they on top of that, they moved the SIM tray on top of the USB Type-C charging port, and you got your power button here with the fingerprint scanner is on the power button, and you got your volume rockers, obviously. Nothing at the top. I'm trying to see what this is like. It feels rubbery right here. I don't know if the other one felt like that. I never did like really try to like feel it like that and see if it felt like that, because I always kept a case on there. And I took my other one, I traded it in for this, so you know I ain't got that no more. Obviously you got your flash, and I don't know if that's an IR sensor or whatever, but you got these like chamfered edges, and it kind of like curves over. Let me see. Obviously, you got your little notification things back there. This, you know, what's new on the new Surface Duo. I'm sorry, y'all, if I ain't putting in the camera like I should be. I think I'm trying to do too much at one time, huh? All right, here we go. We open that bad boy up. I'm going ahead and turn it on. Hopefully it turned on. See that gap right there? I tell you what, this thing, that ain't no problem. Like seriously, that ain't no problem with it being folded like that. Look at that. That thing ain't even that ain't even bad, man. People complaining for nothing, man. My goodness, they complain over anything. Man, that looks good, man, and it feels good. This thing is heavier. It feels more premium. This is the best. Like I said with the last Surface, this is the best like device I've ever like held in my hands. Like seriously, no cap. Like a mobile device, this is the best mobile device I've held in my hands. It feels so good in hands, as y'all already know. This thing is dope, man. Let me go ahead and try and turn that on. Okay. Set that down. Hey man, you can tell this thing got magnets on it. I'm doing this on top of my deep freezer. And look at this. This thing is getting stuck to it, to my deep freezer. Go figure. Alright, so we can set this up. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna get back with y'all and let y'all see it, you know, after I set it all up. Alright. Alright, y'all, everything has downloaded. Well, not everything, but the update has downloaded. The apps were optimized. Well, they still optimizing now, but I just wanted to show y'all a little bit before I go setting everything up. As you know, that's your notification shade. Boom. It's so smooth, buttery smooth. Oh my goodness, it's so much better than the last Surface Duo. I ain't even go over there yet. All right, see, there you go. Nope, not that. I guess it's a little, you know what, I notice every phone does this. Like when you lay it down, it's hard for you to swipe it. Even the Samsung phones do that. My Samsung phones do. Let's get that off there. See, look at the apps. I mean, it's scrolling on here. It's so smooth, buttery smooth. I don't know how people can have a problem with it. Dang, I can't get it. Like when it's off the ground, that's what it is. See, over here I can do it, I believe. Let me see. Maybe. Okay, if it's like that, I could do it. Yeah, I don't know why it won't let me do it now. I usually am able to do it. I don't know if it's because I got this on this piece of paper. But you pick it up, obviously, you can do it. It's right. I guess I can do it. What is going on? Why won't let me multitask? Or do I not have on? I mean, not multitask, but app switcher. You know what I mean? Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out. As a matter of fact, let me restart it. Maybe that's what it is. Or maybe because that stupid thing was on there. Nope, let me restart it. Man, it's so much faster and smoother. Come on, you ready to come back on? We waiting. I don't understand what's taking it so long. Hold up. So my duo actually, well, I guess that's a bug or something. My duo don't want to cut on. So I tried to do the soft reset on it. Let me plug it up. Hold on. All right, y'all. I guess I was pushing the wrong button when I restarted it. I don't know. But let's see if it's working now. There it is. There it is. That's all right. It's all good because I got the Best Buy thing. If it ever mess up, I'm straight. It's okay. That's that. Um, Let me see. Maybe we can look at the camera while we sitting here. Oh, that you see that? Let's try it again. Oh my goodness, that's much better. Light years better. It ain't even close how much better that is. Look at that. Look how much better that is. Dirty knife. I had to clean that. Oh wow. Yeah, this is much better, y'all. Yeah, it's much better. I love the screen. This thing feels great in my hand, man. For it feels better than the other one. This right here, the USB charging port, Type C. I mean USB Type C charging port. It feels much more durable. Seriously, it feels so much better. You put, never mind. You put it in there and it don't want to come out. You want to take it out. Anyways, man, but yeah, it feels better. That's what she said. It definitely feels stronger. So I think it'll be good. It'll be good. It won't. I don't think it'll mess up. All right. You know what? Let's look. Boom. Yes. Yes. Nah. Yeah, this is much better, man. Let's see, can we go back? Nope. Nope. So I guess that's it. Till we open it up. Look at that. Flows. This thing good, man. I don't know what everybody else saying as far as that. The hardware is amazing. It's super soft. Super soft. I'm sorry. The hardware is amazing. It's super like responsive and fluid. You know what? I mean, we're gonna do I'm gonna do a review after I done played with it for a while and used it for a while. And as they call it, quote unquote, daily drive. Man, nobody wanna say that. Ain't no daily driving, man. I'm just gonna use it, all right? All right, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all. We're gonna get back up. Deuces. Peace out.